A recent report suggests that the next Samsung Galaxy smartwatches could feature Google Wear OS operating system on the watches. This is expected to be Galaxy Watch 4. Now, new leaks suggest that we could see likely the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch Active 4 smartwatches. As per the new information by the tipster Ice Universe, Samsung could be launched Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch Active 4 somewhere in the second quarter of the 2021, along with the Wear OS. This could mean that the two wearables may launch in a month of April to June. That schedule will not yet confirm, but the pretty early for the new Galaxy Watch. Samsung launched Galaxy Watch 3 in August last year. However, if the new leak timeline is to believe, we could see the launch month before August of 2021. The leak also suggests that the Samsung would be skip Galaxy Watch Active 3 wearable. The South Korean brand last launched the Galaxy Watch Active 2 as the dedicated fitness-oriented wearable 2 years ago, and we did not see the Watch Active 3 alongside the Galaxy Watch 3 last year. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 expected specification. No rumors have been floating around for the upcoming Samsung devices. Expected the presence of the Wear OS on the wearable to replace Tizen OS. It is still unclear that Samsung will using Wear OS in its original form or make it new operating system based on Wear OS entirely. The Galaxy Watch 4 could carry over every major features from the Galaxy Watch 3 while adding new features like the ability to monitor blood sugar. We could also see the bump in the internal storage of the watch as well as the new design on the outside to go with the rumored software change. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 release date and price. It's very likely that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 will be announced in August of this year. There are not any release date rumors yet. As for what the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 might cost, there are not any rumors, but it will be similar to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which start at the $399 for the similar 41mm model and $449 for the larger 45mm one, with the price rising in both cases if you want LTE connectivity.